Wilton 12-count gel-based icing colors. One of the worst food coloring kits on the market with good reason. Wilton's is your grandma's food coloring. They do seem to be trying to keep up with the times, but they have a long way to go to catch up to any of their competitors. This kit contains their 8 base colors as well as 4 additional colors. Although the no-taste red does not taste as bad as Wilton red generally tastes, it still has a taste. As a matter of fact, all the food colors in this kit have a horrible aftertaste. These colors are meant specifically for creating icing, exclusively. For that reason, color fading is not an issue with this kit when used as directed, but the kit has plenty of other problems. Instead of squeeze bottles, these soft gel pastes come in small jars. Yes, you read that right, jars. There is no easy way to measure out this food color. The jars Wilton provides in this kit each have a seal that can only be opened by puncturing and tearing them off, causing splatter. There is no real way to ensure you do not get food color all over yourself and your countertops. Perhaps they thought chefs would prefer to scoop out their food coloring with a measuring spoon, but if that were the case, they could have included one that would fit inside the jars. Here's the pro: no taste red. And the cons: aftertaste, no squeeze bottles, messy to open.